Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Kia Sportage AC. First, find the climate control panel, typically located in the center of your dashboard. Press the button labeled AC to turn on the air conditioning. Then, use the fan speed knob to adjust the airflow to your liking. Finally, rotate the temperature dial to set your desired comfort level. It's quite straightforward to get started. Now, let's talk about directing the air. Use the mode button or dial to choose where the air flows, whether it's towards your face, feet, or for defrosting the windshield. The recirculation button is great for quickly cooling the cabin by reusing interior air. However, for fresh air or to clear a foggy windshield, make sure recirculation is turned off. For ultimate convenience, your Kia Sportage likely has an auto climate control feature. Simply press the auto button, set your desired temperature, and the system will automatically adjust the fan speed and airflow to maintain it. You can always manually override the fan speed if you prefer. Some models also offer a sync feature to match passenger and driver temperatures easily. To get the most out of your AC, here are a few tips. On hot days, open your windows for a minute or two before driving to let out trapped hot air. Using recirculation helps cool the cabin faster. Remember to regularly check and replace your cabin air filter for optimal performance. Also, try not to set the temperature excessively low to improve your fuel economy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.